Shaping the future of water technologies and innovation. Step inside and see MAT Filtration Technologies infrastructure. MAT's manufacturing and assembly units are dedicated to the highest standards, strictly following parameters to ensure every product meets world-class quality. At the CNC stations and state-of-the-art machinery, work alongside skilled welders and technicians. Each feature is checked through a precise quality control process, guaranteeing high-performance water treatment solutions. Each production station is a hub of expertise. Components in polymer or stainless steel are carefully assembled, tracked, and inspected to ensure that MAT systems remain accurate, durable, and reliable. The machinery stations use the latest technologies available in the market. Combined with highly trained professionals, MAT's equipment is manufactured to set the benchmark for water treatment worldwide. MAT designs and produces advanced ozone systems, manufactured and tested entirely in-house. Every product undergoes 72 hours of rigorous testing. With an annual ozone capacity exceeding 250 kilograms, the operation is well above global averages, delivering consistent and safe results. MAT's certified electrical team serves as the backbone of installation and testing. They handle quality assurance, troubleshooting, maintenance, and SCADA integration. Each system is designed and executed in compliance with international and local standards. The design team creates 3D CAD models, tests durability, and develops optimized structures. Working with production, they ensure designs are innovative, efficient, and reliable. Research and development enhance MAT's growth. Working with scientific partners, the R&D team tests and improves equipment. The Water Analysis Lab validates prototypes under seawater and wastewater conditions, while also providing tailored solutions for clients. Quality assurance is central to MAT's work. Each product is inspected by the quality team and an independent third party, Bureau Veritas. Documentation, regulatory compliance, and supplier inspections are all carefully verified. Logistics are managed with the same precision. MAT ships over 2,000 containers every year, each carefully prepared and documented for delivery worldwide. Every unit is packed by our logistics specialists following strict quality assurance procedures. We ensure that quality is maintained not only during production but also throughout packaging, handling, and transportation, right up to the moment it reaches our customers. Today, our exports reach 56 countries, serving 7 sectors from 9 global locations. With more than 700 employees, our 4 factories and 6 administrative offices across continents support clients with expert teams and cutting-edge production infrastructure. With over 450 product models and 7,500 equipment options, MAT is a trusted partner worldwide. MAT operates its own FRP and acrylics factory in United Arab Emirates. Till 2025, MAT has fabricated and installed more than 150 tons of acrylic in FRP aquariums and plunge pools. With new factories opening in the USA and China, MAT continues on its path of sustainability, innovation, and global leadership in water treatment solutions.